Hey guys, it's Dora, and today we're painting loose tulips, mainly open-faced. At the beginning and end of each flower, I'm going to show you an image that was the source of inspiration for that tulip. These are loose, so I don't paint exactly what I see, I just use the images for ideas and inspiration. I included these images so that you can see how I compartmentalize them and then paint that image very loosely. When I first started painting, almost 2 years ago now, I had a big problem doing this. But the more you practice, the easier it gets. I just realized it's pretty funny though, because some flowers look very similar to the image and then others look nothing like it. But that really doesn't matter. As long as you have fun when you're painting and you like the way it comes out, the rest of it is irrelevant. you've watched any of my other videos, you already know that I prefer to add stamens digitally. I've ruined so many flowers with my shaky hands and bulky stamens. However, I'd like to share what works for me when I do hand paint in the stamens. So first of all, it's always a good idea to draw in your stamens with pencil first, and then once you're satisfied with that, then paint them in there.